With population aging worldwide, including in Austria, there's a growing demand for home care assistants, that is, caregivers. This means that finding a job in this field is generally easier to compare to other careers, and there is less worry about job stability. It is a role that is becoming increasingly essential as more people require care services either at home or in assisted living facilities. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Oge. Today, I will be diving into a topic that is not only essential for those looking to start a career in healthcare, but also for anyone considering a meaningful job change, becoming a home care assistant or a caregiver. I'm going to be talking about Ausbildung or vocational training in Heimhelfer or Heimhelferin. That is what we call it here in Austria. Is it the right job for you? What are the pros and cons? How much can you expect to earn? What are the best job opportunities? I'm going to cover all of that and more in today's video. So make sure to stick around until the end. If you are interested, let's dive in. Let's start with what a home care assistant actually does. As a Heimhelfer or Heimhelferin or home care assistant, that is caregiver, your main role is to provide essential support to individuals who need help with daily activities, often due to age, illness, or disabilities. Your duties will typically include assisting with personal hygiene, such as bathing, dressing, and preparing meals, and helping with light housekeeping. You might also help clients with mobility, like moving around the house or getting in or out of bed. The work is hands-on, and you will be a crucial part of your client's daily house routine. While this task might seem straightforward, the job is far from routine. Each client has unique needs, and you will need to be adaptable, patient, and compassionate. It is a role that is deeply personal, as you will often become a trusted companion to those you care for. Now, let's talk about the benefits of being a home care assistant or a caregiver. One of the biggest pros is the deep sense of fulfillment you can get from making a real difference in someone's life. Helping an elderly person maintain their independence or simply providing companionship can be incredibly rewarding. Another positive aspect is the relationships you will build. Whether you are working with the same clients regularly or meeting new ones, the connections you create can be very, very meaningful. These bonds are often what makes this job so fulfilling. There is also a lot of varieties in your daily task. No 2 days are the same, which keeps the job interesting. You might be preparing meals from today and physical exercise the next. And also do not forget that there is high demand for care services in Austria. And with the growing need for care services in Austria, job security is another big advantage. As more people chose to receive care at home rather than in institutions, the demand for home care assistants or caregivers is steadily increasing. This means you are likely to find steady job in this field with opportunities to grow your career over time. Of course, like any job, being a home care assistant comes with its challenges. One of the biggest is the physical demand. You will be on your feet a lot, helping clients move or carrying household tasks. It is a job that requires physical stamina and can be tiring, especially after a long day. Another challenge is the emotional aspect. Working closely with clients who might be dealing with serious illnesses, disabilities, or the effects of aging can be emotional taxing. It is important to find ways to manage the stress, whether through support from family or taking time for self-care. And then the salary aspects. While the job is rewarding in so many ways, the salary for home care assistants tends to be slower compared to other healthcare roles. If you are looking for a higher earnings, this might be something to consider. Lastly, the hours can be irregular depending on your client's need. You might need to work early mornings, late evenings, or weekends. This can be tough if you prefer a standard 9 to 5 schedule, or if work-life balance is a priority for you. Let's talk about the requirements. Becoming a care assistant in Austria requires you completing your basic education, undergoing a specific training and obtaining certification, and demonstrating a good command of German language. Let me break it down. You must have completed compulsory education, which in Austria typically means 9 years of schooling. That is, your primary and secondary school certificate is needed. Then, regards to the training, typically it requires a shorter training program, around 200 hours in about 6 to 8 weeks if you attend full time. Upon successfully completing the training and passing the required exams, you will receive a diploma or certificate. This certification qualifies you to work as a care assistant in various healthcare settings, such as hospitals, nursing homes, and private healthcare facilities. After completing the training, you will receive a certificate qualifying you to work as a caregiver or Heimhelfer or Heimhelferin. So, what can you expect if you decide to become a home care assistant? Well, expect a mixture of a routine task and unexpected challenges. Your daily responsibilities will include helping with personal hygiene, meal preparation, household chores, and many more. But you will also be ready too for unexpected, whether that is a sudden health issue with a client or needing to provide emotional support for your clients during a tough day. It is also very important to know that this job requires ongoing learning. As you gain experience, you will get better at managing different clients and situations. While the initial training to become a Heimhelfer is relatively short, about 200 hours, you may find it beneficial to take additional courses or certifications in areas like dementia care or first aid. This will not only improve your skills, but it can also lead to a better job opportunities. And while the work can be demanding, it can also offer a great deal of personal growth. You will learn a lot about patience, empathy, and resilience. These are skills that are not only valuable at the workplace, but in life overall. Let's talk about salaries and job opportunities. In Austria, the average salary for a home care assistant or a caregiver typically ranges from 1,600 to 2,000 per month, depending on your experience and location. This might be on a lower side compared to other healthcare jobs, but there are often room to earn more with experience, overtime, or additional qualifications. In some cases, for example, if you are working in regions with a higher cost of living, you might find slightly higher pay. And if you take on extra shifts or work in specialized care roles, there is potential for additional income. You can also explore some of these websites: Indeed, Stepstones, IMS, Glassdoor's Jobs, LinkedIn. And if you prefer flexibility, there are also options to work part-time on a freelance basis as a 24 hours caregiver. So, is a career as a home care assistant or a caregiver right for you? It is a role that offers a lot of personal satisfaction and the opportunity to make a meaningful difference in people's life. But it also comes with its challenges, from physical demands to the emotional aspects of care. If you are someone who is compassionate, patient, and looking for a career that is both fulfilling and demand, this could be the perfect fit for you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video has given you a picture of what to expect as a caregiver or a home care assistant. If you found this content helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might be interested. And if you have any questions, or if you are currently working as a caregiver or care assistant and want to share your experience, please drop a comment below. I did love to hear from you. Please do not forget to subscribe for more career insights and tips. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye.